Welcome back to BA Media. This Etsy shop has achieved remarkable success, generating over $300,000 by selling digital download patterns. In a recent video, I shared 7 business ideas that can be launched with the help of AI, and today we'll dive into the AA pattern business. Among the 7 ideas, this one stands out as the easiest and simplest. With the release of Mid Journey version 5, which occurred a few days ago, and the fact that few people have tapped into the business model yet, it's the perfect time to explore how to use AI tools to create seamless and pattern texture and potentially earn passive income online. Here's an overview of the process. Start by utilizing a text to image AI, specifically the AI image called Mid Journey. If you're not familiar with it, you provide a prompt to the AI describing the type of image that you desire. After giving it a moment to process, the AI will generate a brand new pattern from scratch. Within the prompt, you can use specific keywords to obtain seamless pattern texture and high quality images. Once you have generated a pattern, the next step is to sell it online. Since the image AI does most of the work for you, the side hustle is incredibly easy to get started with. Before diving into creating random patterns, it's essential to explore existing market and see what patterns are already selling and the potential earnings. Take for example, the shop called Old Market, which primarily sells digital papers or seamless patterns. They have achieved approximately $307,000 in revenue from this venture. Even a single listing, such as a pack of watercolor flowers, has generated around $1,800 in sale. In summary, the AA pattern businesses offer a lucrative opportunity. By leveraging AI tools, you can create and sell patterns with relative ease. So why not jump into this side hustle and tap into this immense potential? On Etsy, there's a popular flora pattern pack with numerous reviews indicating high demand and frequent purchases. By examining the customer feedback, we can understand how people are using these patterns, such as for creating envelopes, journals, sublation printing on fabrics, and various crafting purposes. Armed with this knowledge, we can create excellent patterns that cater our customers' need. And the best part, I'll show you how to create comparative patterns in under a minute. Another successful shop, Digital Kuru, has achieved over 707,000 sales, which likely translate to around 3.2 million in revenue. While they offer other products as well, their best-selling items are this seamless pattern texture. Keep in mind that when selling digital products, you'll retain approximately 91% of the gross revenue as profit after accounting for Etsy fees and taxes. This business model is incredibly easy since you're essentially selling upscaled mid-journey patterns as digital download files with AA patterns. If you'd like a video tutorial on how to list digital products on Etsy, let me know in the comments. Joining in the Mid-Journey AI community is a breeze. Simply visit their website and click on Join the Beta at the bottom. This will lead you to their Discord server where you can generate the necessary images. To access the server, you need a Discord account, which is a free to sign up for. Initially, you can use the Mid-Journey server for free, but if you plan on selling your patterns, upgrading to one of their paid plans is necessary to obtain commercial rights for the generated images. So let's get started and create your own server. To make things super easy for yourself, I highly recommend creating your own server. Click on the plus button, select Create My Own, give it a name, and choose the option for me and my friends. Once you have done that, head back to the Midjourney server in Discord. Click on the Midjourney bot and add it to the server you just created from the drop-down menu. Your server will appear on the left side of the screen, allowing you to generate images without having to see everyone else. Now we're all set up on the Midjourney server, let's generate our first image. In the chat box section, type a forward slash and select Settings. Ensure that Midjourney version 5 is selected, then dismiss the menu. Return to the chat section, type another forward slash, and choose the Imagine option when it appears. This will let us input our idea for the pattern. After typing your idea, remember to add 2 dashes and the word tile at the end of the prompt to indicate that you want a seamless pattern. This step is crucial for getting the desired result. Hit enter and you'll witness the AI generated a pattern right before your eyes. It will provide you with the 4 pattern options and offer new controls at the bottom. The bottom on the right allows you to reroll your prompt for a few new images. The bottom buttons create more similar looking patterns, while the top row of buttons can upscale or enlarge the selected images. If you like the second and fourth images, simply click the corresponding upscale button to make them larger. To be completely honest, at this point, you're already done. You have generated a seamless pattern that can be repeated side by side. However, there's a lot more we can do to enhance the pattern by crafting great prompts. Now, let's type a forward slash and open up the settings again. From the setting page, you can determine the level of stylization or creativity you want the AI to apply. Low stylization will generate the image more literal based on the prompt, while a high stylization will add more of the AI's own creativity. Select your preferred level and dismiss the settings. Now I will run the same prompt with 4 different stylization settings to demonstrate the real-time effect. As you can see, the image on the left are simple patterns closely aligned with our prompt, while the ones on the right exhibit more stylization and creativity. These allow you to obtain more unique patterns or experiment with settings to achieve the best image. Personally, I often prefer keeping the stylization on high or setting it to medium and adding my own value, typically around 500. This is what makes the side hustle so easy because once you remember to include a tile at the end of your prompt, you can generate your own patterns effortlessly. Now, let's explore generating patterns similar to ones already selling well on Etsy. By providing Midjourney with more details around the desired pattern, we can aim for colorful patterns that closely resemble to the popular ones in Etsy. If the generated batch of images doesn't meet your preference, simply click the reroll button we mentioned to try the same prompt again. Based on my experience with Midjourney version 5, it creates some of the best pattern I've seen. We have been able to achieve watercolor flowers similar to those selling on Etsy, but there is so much more that we can do. We can ask AI to generate retro hand-draw mountain patterns, vintage skull patterns, cute current character cacti, and even an image of floating lanterns in the night sky. Possibilities are vast. After generating a pattern you like, simply click the upscale image, open it to your browser, right-click, and save it to your downloads. One last thing you might want to know before giving this a try is how to fix any graphical errors that Midjourney might create. I've found a free online alternative to Photoshop called Photopea. I'll use it to demonstrate how to fix a pattern mistake. I'll drag the image on the website and select the Spot Heal tool on the left side of the screen. By moving on the mouse over the area I want to correct and right-clicking, I can adjust the brush size and paint away any imperfection created by the AI. Once the edits are complete, I can click on File, then Export, and save the corrected pattern as PNG, preserving all the changes we made. There are multiple ways to monetize these patterns, which is exciting. The easiest option is to sell the patterns file as a digital download on platform like Etsy, as we discussed earlier. Minimal preparation is required since we are selling the upscaled Midjourney artwork. All we need to do is present it nicely in the listing to attract potential buyer. However, selling patterns as digital products on Etsy is not the only option. We can also use platforms like Printify to choose popular products and upload our patterns onto them. By clicking the Create Pattern button, we can incorporate our patterns onto the product. This follows the print-on-demand business model. When a customer purchases the product from Etsy shop, Printify takes a blank version of the product, prints our product onto it using a printing machine, packages it, and ship it directly to the customer. Printify even integrates seamlessly with Etsy, allowing you to post your pattern products directly to your shop for sale. It's worth noting that using Printify on Etsy occurs a fee of about 20 cents per listing. If you prefer to start this side hustle for free, you can use websites like Redbubble. Simply upload your pattern and it will automatically apply the artworks to various products they offer. While not all products will look good with your pattern, you can disable those that don't work well. However, items like phone cases or shower curtains may already look great with the patterns applied. These are just few of many options available for monetizing your patterns, allowing you to explore different avenues and maximizing your earning potential. By clicking on the Edit button and selecting Choose Pattern on Redbubble, we can apply the pattern we have created using AI to the entire product in the repeating manner. This can be done for any product you want to sell on the website. The best part is that it's free to list your product for sale, allowing you to generate numerous products and post them on Redbubble and similar websites like Social6 without any cost. These platforms collectively receive around 30 million visits per month. While there is a competition, the print-on-demand business models they offer is highly passive. Once you have posted your design, you can set your own prices and split the commission with the chosen platform. You can even upload the same patterns to multiple platforms if you wish. Redbubble and Society6 handle marketing and customer service, making it a hassle-free opportunity. Why would anyone choose to do this? Well, this business could be a perfect opportunity for you to start selling online. It's incredibly easy and straightforward. Even if you don't make millions, it can still boost your confidence on selling things online. Give it a try and gain valuable experience in the process. Make sure to follow me online for more tips and information. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Once again, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you on the next